Hello everyone and welcome back to another daily tutorial. And today I'm going to be showing you how to get an alternative to Megahack V8 Pro for free. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to install Geode. Geode is a mod loader for Geometry Dash. So if you do not have this, then unfortunately you will need to install it. Fortunately though, there is a video that I've already made on my channel about the topic, and that will be linked in the description down below. So here I'm just going to go to this Geode button and click on download, and as you can see right over here we have Quality of Life mod by the Silly Doggo. We just click get and install. And we just wait for that to be done. There we go. Now we click the dedicated restart now button. And now it's loading. Every time you add another mod to the instance, the loading process will take longer as it's adding new processes to the thing. But now, if we go over here, you'll see that we have Quality of Life mod and it's also enabled. So, let's say I go into Stereo Madness and I click Tab or Insert. We'll see we have a list of hacks that we can use. For example, no clip. And now I no longer take damage from blocks. Or if I want to, I don't know, use speed hack, I can do 0.22% speed, as you can see. So yes, if you want to see more videos just like this one, don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on notifications for more videos just like this one. And I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye!